Oh, hi everyone. I'm just going to do a painting for you to keep us going. I'll just show you what I did for my Patreons. I explained to them two different kinds of painting. This one was with the tree and the background. That I explained all how to do that. And then I explained to them this type with middle distant trees and a layer of trees in the foreground. So I did two for them, and that's what I've done yesterday. So now we can have a go with our today's painting. The paper is it's not a good paper for stretching, so it buckles quite a lot, but it might be okay. It's on a pad. It's 140 on a pad. Now I'm going to use the older. Then I'll let you look at the quick look at those colours. Now I've got some paper here to wipe that off a bit before we start. Now we're going to work loose, of course. Now I'm now into we do loose painting and easy painting for me to just get it crashed on in a way. So we'll take a brush, a large, pretty large brush. Where is these brushes? You see that? It's a better point on than the one here on the right. Let me just see if I can hold that there a minute. Now this, let's wet it. Now that one. Now it's filled with water. We'll fill this with water. Now this one is a better point than that. It's worn all around here. The reason it's worn is because I scrubbed with it. I've scrubbed with it a lot. Because sometimes if you're doing a sky, let me show you with the sky. See you're wetting it in. You're scrubbing like that in a way. Like that. Now all skies, as they disappear miles away into the horizon line, the sky starts going lighter, and this part of the sky down here becomes really light. Now, for an easy way of doing it, you can get some cobalt like this, see. Now just put that there, which is like raw sienna. Now watch me come across here. Now I'm bringing this across with some cobalt blue on my brush. Now usually what you'll see is people have come across and letting it run down like that. What I've done there is just put it on. You know, you're getting a few lines here now. See, well, just take it off. Make sure you've gone to them edges next time, and then just take that bottom piece off there. Now you've got a sky there now, without all this running it down and making this and getting a piece of tape. Now don't get me wrong, I think myself it's a good idea to put a tape across. That way, as I can't remember when I was learning, and yeah, you can put that tape across. Don't let me put you off. I've asked my patrons if they'll help, because I'm so far ahead in a way, as I can't take myself back to those times. Now, I put that line across there, and then you can get some of that blue again there. Same blue, watch. There's your same blue now. I've only just, now I've not even put water to that or anything. But you need more than that. Put a few mountains in here, which I'm going to show you to do. So I'll get some more water, plenty of water in that brush, see, it's loaded. Look, I can get water out. Load it up, see. Now get some more of that blue cobalt. Now you've plenty there now. So what you can do now, you can come across here. You don't need to go too high, like that. And then we'll go a bit higher here, just one side. So now what we've done there, we've put a mountain there at the back, haven't we? A hill, rather. With that blue I've just done that push with it. And then I did that yellow across here first, that raw sienna, you see. I put this tape across here and then put that blue thing over there like that. Don't go, now when you're putting this mountain, don't put it too precise and straight like that, as though you're doing it with a ruler. Now I'll put that down now. I'm going to get that tape again and we'll put another bit of tape across. Oh, I didn't know it wasn't dry. We'll put another tape across. You have more patience than me. We'll put a tape across here. Yeah. Like that. This time I'll try and press it down better. And then, what we'll do now with our big brush, we're still using our big floppy brush, we'll get some of that raw sienna or yellow ochre. Now this is a bit of yellow ochre actually, and it's lighter than that raw sienna bit, isn't it, there? So we've got that. Now see that blue we've just been using, pick up a little bit. Now the trouble is, can you see what's happening? It's going a dirty colour, isn't it? Now that's dirty. So next time you mix it, get some yellow and you can put that with it. All right, now you can come across here now, there, and now this time, even if you go up a bit, down a bit, round, up a bit, miss a bit, and you've not got it dead straight, it doesn't matter. There we are. Now I'll show you another, we'll do this as well. Watch this. Now this is burnt umber. Now when you start doing your painting, follow this and do what I'm showing you. Now just come a bit here, like that. Just a bit of burnt umber along there, and then dry it off. Right, now let's take that off. So we've got some water here, haven't we? So what's water? Only blue. So let's get some water on there. Same, we'll get some, we'll not do anything else, we'll just use this cobalt again. But you shouldn't be doing this, but I'm showing you just for sake of you do using it, and just do that. Now you see how it's all running down, like that. Now get some brown, and just touch it there. And 4 places. Get some more brown. Put some of your blue in it. Again, put some of that blue, the cobalt. We've only been using cobalt. Even left a line there, see. So we'll just put our cobalt. So we'll put some trees there, see. Right, now, a bit smaller brush, not much smaller. Now get some brown, put some brown there. Put some more blue with it if you want, same blue. Yeah, I wish I'd brought my glasses. I'm terrible for this. Now dry. Hold it there nearer to, see. Touch it here and there. Coming across, touch it here and there like that. Put your stem with a tree trunk like that. Now get a tiny brush. Your brown and your blue again. Only do that. You want to put a little bit of on a little bit of a sign. You won't get drowned. There you have it. Now there you are.